rather start a team with Jordan or LeBron? Go Beetle.
Well, if you're just going to go by the first 13 years of one's career, Michael Jordan racked up 6 rings. Your boy LeBron with 3. He is the greatest that ever was. He's the reason I love this game so much. Don't look at me like that.
But the question is, would you rather start a franchise with Jordan or LeBron? And at the time Jordan came out, there were 2 teams that didn't even want to start their franchise with Michael Jordan. They passed over him.
Yeah, and do you think those people would regret that?
The question was answered as soon as he got drafted. LeBron was the #1 overall from high school. So
this is really easy. LeBron James has never played with talent in his life. In his life. Everybody he plays with gets
Wait, are
better.
all 3 of you trying to sit here and tell me LeBron James is
We're talking about, if I don't know who I got on my team, I want LeBron James because he's going to make those guys better.
Thank you.
Michael's a better
Can I
player.
talk to the one guy up here who played basketball?
Okay.
Seriously?
LeBron is the best ever played the game. But if I had to start my organization, it has to be LeBron because he makes everybody better. He's all around
Well,
great.
let's see what the numbers look like. If I'm just going to look at numbers, I came down.
That's how I'm going to do his career,
That's
though.
bigger.
Yeah.
That's
He's
bigger,
not done.
Halfway through the movie, you're going to tell me what it's going to look like at the end?
halfway through the movie. I think
A
we're
little
moving
bit.
beyond halfway through the movie at this
Stop
point.
it.
This is like
I'm taking rings over all, whatever it is you guys
LeBron is a
are trying
rarer
to give me.
breed of mammal. He can guard all positions. He can play offensively all positions. And that's who you want to start a franchise with, the most versatile guy.
Or do you want the guy who refused to lose?
6
You
years
can be
in the
as
finals.
talented as you want at the end of the day, but if you're the guy who says, I am not going to lose and I have to do whatever it takes, I'm going to make it happen.
Except before he gets to the finals. Because clearly he's all right with losing before he gets to the finals. He's perfect in the finals, but he was 24-7 in the first 3 rounds versus LeBron's 26-4 in the first 2 rounds.
There you go.
Michael Jordan never lost in the finals.
But before
the finals and years before he won championships.
Wait, are you arguing me a bunch of garbage before the actual point of why we play the game in the first place?
And LeBron never played with another guy who's going to be a
Top 50.
Top 50.
Now we're giving him respect.
I'm
Half
saying,
the time we did Scottie
saying-
Pippen. Now we all love
Hey,
him.
6 years straight in the finals and counting. Hey, I got to go with LeBron.
Yeah, but how many did he win?
Hey, he's won.
He put him in
Yeah, how
position
many?
with worse
He won
talent.
3.
Are you kidding
He's won
me?
3.
Are you kidding me?
No one's saying he's
I don't
better
like
than
the way the
Jordan.
show is
We're not
starting.
saying he's better than Jordan. We're just saying that LeBron
If I'm
is a
starting
better
a
person
team,
start
I'm
with.
going to start
Who else
with
has
the
LeBron
greatest
played with
player
that was
of all
first team all
time.
NBA?
Or just second
If
greatest.
I take MJ, he's got to be a shooting guard. If I take LeBron, he could be my 1, my 2, my 3, my 4. Could he be my 5?
Maybe.
Probably.
Thank you.
The
Not
game.
Jordan. Not Jordan.